Hiya Huns, you're never gonna believe it, but I cooked a meal. Look at this, your favorite cousin cooked a meal and it's really good. The fabulous people at Symfonio sent me a Simpot, which is an electric pressure cooker like an Instant Pot, which Miss Velveteen has, only this one costs less money and has more displays, like where it is in the cooking process, and it has a bunch more cooking settings like eggs and cake. You can use it for anything: pressure cooking, slow cooking, sauteing, even making yogurt. I made this pineapple sweet potato stew using the saute and pressure cooking settings, and it came out really well. It pairs great with this tropical sangria, which I made using 3/4 of an ounce of reposado tequila, 3/4 of an ounce dark Jamaican rum, 1 ounce cran mango juice, and a 1/2 ounce fresh lemon juice in a wine glass with ice, and top with your favorite dry red. So anyway, I'm loving my Simpot. You can get your own by following the link below. Who knows, I may even bake a cake in mine. I feel like I could do it. Thanks for dropping by, and I'll see you again real soon.